Imagine a digital assistant that never sleeps, constantly scouring the web and gathering data to process your research instantly. Think of an AI agent like a real estate agent. Instead of you spending your weekends driving around in the heat to find a house, the agent does the legwork and brings the best options right to your hands. A digital agent performs that exact same manual web searching for you. Today, we are building a custom Perplexity style clone. You will give it a prompt, and it will search live Google data to format a precise, accurate answer. Connecting a trigger to a search tool is the standard architecture for many AI automations. Once you can move data between these nodes, you have the baseline skill needed to start designing custom workflows for others. To build this, we need 3 platforms: N8N as our canvas, OpenAI as the brain, and SERP API for search. N8N offers a desktop version, but the cloud version is more reliable, preventing your workflow from stopping if your computer sleeps. You will also need access to the OpenAI API. This is separate from a standard ChatGPT Plus subscription. The API allows external software to use OpenAI's models, and it requires loading a few dollars of credits to function. To move from using AI apps to building them, you'll need to use these API credits. Think of it as the necessary overhead for running your own custom software. Step 1 is setting up our N8N workspace. We will create a new project, name it YouTube Testing Agents, and select the option to start from scratch. Every automated sequence needs an event to wake it up. In N8N, this starting event is called a trigger. For our project, add a chat trigger to the canvas. This creates a simple user-facing text window where we can type prompts to test our agent. Without a defined trigger, the logic has no starting point. It is the first requirement for any agentic workflow. Next, we add an AI agent node. This acts as the central processor, directing the path of the data through our workflow. To give this processor the ability to read and reason, we attach a language model. We will use an OpenAI chat model for this step. To connect them, you need an API key. This is a secure digital bridge, granting N8N permission to communicate with OpenAI software. You can generate one inside your OpenAI dashboard. Keep this key private. It is as sensitive as a credit card and should never be shared or shown in public videos. When selecting your model, choose GPT-4o Mini. This model is highly efficient for testing and keeps your initial API costs very low. Without this secured API connection, the agent cannot function. It lacks the cognitive power to interpret your requests. Standard language models do not automatically remember what you just said. To fix this, we attach a simple memory node to the agent. Set the memory context window to 5 messages. This allows the agent to maintain a short-term history of the current conversation. Now we give the agent tools. Tools expand the agent's capabilities beyond generating text into performing specific actions. First, add a calculator tool. This allows the AI to perform math accurately without relying on its own text-based predictions. Next, add SERP API. This specific tool connects the agent directly to Google search results. Create a free account on the SERP API website, generate your free tier key, and paste it into N8N as a new credential. By combining memory with external data gathering tools, you transform a text generator into a context-aware digital researcher. Let's review the complete structural flow. We trace the path from the chat trigger into the AI agent, which is supported by the memory and tools branches. This visual node tree is the logic path of your automation. Your workspace configuration is now officially complete and ready to run. Large-scale AI agents are built by chaining these modular connections together. By mapping out this specific path, you've learned the structural logic that governs much larger multi-step systems. Let's open the N8N chat interface to run our initial test. Ask the agent to find the best sushi restaurants in Pune. In real time, the agent pings SERP API, routes those search findings to OpenAI for reasoning, and outputs the curated list to your screen. Let's run a second test for accuracy. Clear the chat and ask for the current exact weather in Pune. To verify the agent is using live data rather than guessing, cross-reference the temperature output against a live weather application. While testing, monitor your SERP API dashboard to ensure you stay within your 100 search monthly limit. Proving this real-time data flow works is the baseline. In the next video, we will build RAG agents. systems that fetch answers directly from your own custom databases to create professional assets.